Derek. Congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you, man. I'll let you tell your story.
Back in January, I lost my job at General Motors, part of the big restructuring of automotive here in Michigan. I fell victim to it and it was kind of crushing and all the life events that happened to us. Sometimes you don't expect these things. Back in March, I signed up for my 20-hour class with MEC, not knowing that Study Buddy existed. And I ended up taking my first test not more than 2 weeks after that, and I failed with a 73. And it was pretty crushing. But I said, I got this. I've got my degree in electrical engineering. I should be able to pass this test, no problem. Well, little did I know, I didn't study the right way, and I took it a second time and actually did worse and got a 66. I found out through a friend at the company here that Study Buddy existed. Like others, I didn't think it was real, but I went to some nightly classes. I downloaded all the material, and I took a couple weeks here and there and didn't really focus too hard. But I won a free one-on-one with Rocco, and that was pretty eye-opening to see myself get crushed, to see how much I don't know or understand. And from that point on, which was September 26th, I took that one-on-one with him, and it really lit a fire under me to really focus on my flashcards and start to really put in the work to memorize things. And between September 26th and last Thursday when I took the exam, it was really just memorizing 700 flashcards. I pretty much memorized 140 pages of them that we're all studying, and the grid and the classes, math with Jen, Celeste on Thursdays answering things. I was in two study groups, and my good friend Ashley Ware, who's on the call here, forced me to get into the group sessions where we read every day as a team. Once I buckled down and really put in the work, you get this feeling of, I've got this, I'm ready. And yeah, I took it and I passed, and here I am living proof. And I started work today, so it was pretty cool.
That's freaking go, Derek.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you, bro. Listen, man, we both failed this test, and we both came back to beat it, bro.
I can't thank enough Rocco, Nicole, Celeste, and Jen, and then all my friends I've made here, our secret ninja group. We had a side study group doing after hours studying. This is amazing.
Isn't it crazy how and so many people in here right now could probably when you first come here, you think you're using it to help you pass the exam. Well, first
Yeah,
you think it's fake and people that what's on here, it's something odd about this place. And once you
right.
go to the nightly classes and you hang out for a bit, you start understanding what our mission is here, and that's to help you guys pass this exam. The people that you meet,
Yes.
and friendships that you make, that you're gonna have friendships for years to come with amazing humans in our phone call.
Yeah.
The reason why you failed your first two times is because you weren't prepared, not because you can't do it or you're dumb or you're nothing like that.
So for those of you who are just starting the journey, stick with it. It's real. Time to do these practice tests.
Derek, I'm super proud of you, man. Congratulations, man.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. And thank you everybody for your help.